what is the limit of this function. Express this one as a forms. Let's divide the numerator by the denominator. That means 3x plus 5 divided by what? X plus 2. Since they have the same degree, we can take what? The quotient of their leading coefficient. 3x divided by x, that is what? It is 3 times. 3 times this one is what? 3x plus this is 6. Take the difference of them. I take the difference, it becomes what? Negative 1. So this means 3x plus 5 divided by what? This is divided by x plus 2 is equivalent to 3 plus minus 1 over what? 1 over x plus, we can express as such forms. Again, we express this as such forms. This means what? 3 minus 3 over what? This is over 3 into what? X plus 2. We can express as such forms. From this, what we take? Let's take 3 is common. This is equal to 3 into what? This is 1 minus 1 over 3 into what? X plus what? 2. Here we can express such forms. So, if we consider the limit of our function, we can take what? The limit of this 3x plus 5 over x plus to the power of x as x approaches to infinity is equals what? The limit of this one. But before that, let's try to change again. Negative 1 over 3 into x plus 2 is equal to what? Which is equal to, let's say, 1 over y. After that, let's try to express x in terms of y. This implies that minus y over 3 is equal to what? X plus 2. From this, what's the value of x? X is equal to negative y over 3 minus what? That is 2. Here we have. So, the limit of our function, that means 3x plus 5 over x plus 2, the power of what? The power of x as x approaches to positive infinity is equal to what? Is equal to limit of, where is that? We have to consider this one. This is equal to 3 minus 1 over x plus 2, the power of what? The power of x, the same x approaches to what? Positive infinity. When come to here, as x approaches to positive infinity, from this, as what? Well, as x approaches to positive infinity, what about y? Y approaches to what? Negative infinity. Since here we have y is what? The coefficient, here the coefficient of y is what? Negative 1 over 3. This means it must be what? Negative. So this is equal to, again, limit as x approaches to positive infinity into what? This is 3 into 1 minus 1 over 3 into x plus 2, the whole, the power of what? The power of x. What does imply? This implies if you want to express as a form of this x, which is equal to what? This is limit of 3 the power of x times what? Here is 1 minus 1 over 3 into x plus 2 the power of what? X, as x approaches to what? Positive infinity. Why we have this? Since we know that a is the power of what? C is equal to what? The power of c means what? A is the power of c times what? B is the power of c. We have such properties as we are familiar. From this, if you want to have to express this in terms of y again, which is equal to limit of what? This is 3 the power of x as x approaches to positive infinity times limit 1 plus 1 over what? This is 1 over y. The whole the power of negative y over 3 minus 2 as y is approaching to what? Negative infinity. Here we have 3 the power of x as x approaches to positive infinity, the value is what? This goes to infinity comes limit of the second one as y approaches to negative infinity into what? This is 1 plus 1 over y, the power of what? The power of negative y over 3 minus what? That is 2. Let's try to find this one. What does this imply? Which is equivalent to positive infinity times, here is limit of, we can express this 1 plus 1 over y, the power of what? Here is y, we express as such forms, the whole the power of what? Negative 1 over 3 times, which is 1 plus 1 over y, the whole the power of what? Negative 2, as y is approaching to what? Negative infinity. This is equal to what? This is equals infinity times what value of this? This value is e. We are familiar for this one. This is e. E is the power of what? Negative 1 over 3 times what the limit of this one as y approaches to negative infinity, 1 plus y over 1 over y goes to negative infinity, it becomes 0 So this is 1 the power of negative 2, that is still 1. Since we are familiar that limit of what? Limit of 1 plus x the power of what? 1 over x approach to 0, or which is equals limit of 1 plus 1 over x the power of x as x approach to positive infinity or approach to what? Negative infinity. The result is equivalent to what? We say that is e. So because of that, this is equal to e is the power of negative 1 over 3 here, since this one is e. If that's so, which is equal to what? Positive infinity divided by the cube root of e, which is equal to what? This is positive infinity. Therefore, from the given information, what we have? Limit of here is 3x plus 5 over what? Over x plus 2 the whole the power of x as x approach to positive infinity is equal to infinity.